The Art of Eye Contact, Mastering Nonverbal Communication. Hello learners! Welcome back to another episode in our series about effective communication. Today, we're delving into a subtle but powerful aspect of communication: eye contact. How you use your eyes can greatly influence the impression you leave on others during debates and discussions. So, let's dive in. First off, let's talk about why eye contact matters. Eye contact is one of the most powerful nonverbal cues we can use. It demonstrates to others that we are engaged, interested, and receptive. It can help to build trust and understanding in a conversation. On the other hand, avoiding eye contact can make you seem disinterested or even rude. Therefore, mastering the use of eye contact is a key step to becoming a better communicator. How much is too much? There's a fine line between maintaining eye contact and staring. Staring might make the other person uncomfortable. You should try to maintain eye contact for about 2/3 of the conversation. Remember, it's normal and expected to occasionally break eye contact. Looking away briefly can show that you're reflecting on what the other person is saying. Let's now discuss some techniques to improve your eye contact skills. 1. Practice makes perfect. Start with one-on-one conversations, gradually increasing the number of people you practice with. 2. Use the 50-70ths rule. Maintain eye contact for 50% of the time when speaking and 70% when listening. 3. The triangular technique. Don't just stare at one eye. Move your gaze from one eye to the other, and then to the mouth, forming an invisible triangle. Eye contact takes on an added dimension in debates and discussions. Addressing the entire group with your gaze, rather than focusing on one person, can help to engage everyone in the conversation. Also, when someone else is speaking, maintaining eye contact shows that you're paying attention and respect their contribution. That's all for today's lesson, folks. Remember, mastering eye contact is a journey, so don't worry if you don't get it perfect straight away. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be a pro at using this powerful nonverbal cue. Thanks for joining us, and keep learning. Remember, effective communication is more than just words. It's also about how you say it, and that includes your eye contact. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep learning, keep practicing, and you'll keep improving.